Hi everyone, this is Dr. Revati. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. You want all notifications in my channel. Now today we are going to discuss about come back to the last part of the previous class today also. That is same method, exact differential equation method. In the last previous classes also we explained the same method, exact differential equation method. Now only today we are going to discuss about the same method. Let's go for started some more another example I will be given, that is solve the differential equation 2xy dy minus x square minus y square plus 1 dx equals to 0. This is the exact differential equation. Now we have to solve the solution of exact differential equation method in this problem. This is one of the first order and first degree differential equation. Now let us start. I will be explain once again how to solve the working procedure of exact differential equation method. No problem here. Once again it will be repeated. First of all, the given differential equation will be satisfied the general solution of mdx plus ndy equals to 0. Next of all, we have to find out the dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. Here dou m by dou y means differentiating partially with respect to y, and dou n by dou x means differentiating partially with respect to x. Next of all, the given differential equation will be satisfied dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. The given equation will be satisfied dou m by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. Both are will be same answers. The given differential equation is can be an exact, otherwise it is non-exact. The solution of exact differential equation is integral of mdx plus integral of ndy equals to 0. Next of all, find out the solution of given differential equation of the solution of exact differential equation method. So now let us take one of the some more another example of first order and first degree differential equation. Now let us here first of all I will find out the solution of exact differential equation procedure. First of all, the given differential equation will be checked the general solution of mdx plus ndy equals to 0. The general solution of exact differential equation is mdx plus ndy equals to 0. This is the general solution of exact differential equation. First of all, the given differential equation will be comparison of mdx plus ndy equals to 0. So the given differential equation is first of all here ndy and next then plus of minus mdx. So first replace here the given differential equation is right here minus of x square minus y square plus 1 dx. This is mdx. Next right here ndy, that is 2xy dy equals to 0. So compare the general solution of exact differential equation mdx plus ndy equals to 0. So the given differential equation will be also equals to mdx plus ndy equals to 0. Next of all, write where m equals to minus of x square minus y square plus 1 here, and n equals to 2xy here. Next we have to find out the working procedure dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. So here dou m by dou y, that is right, dou by dou y of m minus of x square minus y square plus 1, that is this is m here, that is minus of x square minus y square plus 1. This m we have to differentiating partially here with respect to y, that is here minus of minus means plus y square. So y square, the differentiating of partially with respect to y square is 2y. The partially differentiating with respect to y, here x square means 0, next 1 means constant, here 0, therefore dou m by dou y equals to 2y. Next we have to find out dou n by dou x. Dou n by dou x means dou n by dou x equals to dou by dou x of n. Dou by dou x of n means here n is 2xy. Here n is 2xy. N means partially differentiating with respect to x. Here x means partially differentiating with respect to x is 1. So the remaining 2y is constant here. 2y into 1, that is 2y. Therefore, dou n by dou x is also equals to 2y here. Dou n by dou y equals to 2y and also dou n by dou x equals to 2y. Here both answers will be equals to same, that is dou n by dou y equals to dou n by dou x. Here therefore dou n by dou y equals to dou n by dou x, that is 2y. Therefore the given differential equation is exact differential equation also. Next you have to find out the general solution of the exact differential equation, that is the formula for the solution of the exact differential equation is integral of m dx. Here y is constant. Next plus integral of n dy. Here not containing x terms. That equals to 0. Okay, this is the formula for the solution of exact differential equation. Here substitute integral of m is the given problem. M is here minus of x square plus minus y square plus 1 dx plus integral of n dy. Here n dy means n means not containing x terms. And see here problem, n means 2xy. Here is the containing x term. 2xy means this 2xy containing x term. So here there is no not containing x terms. Here will be put 0. dy equals to 0. After that integrating. After that we have to integrating means first of all arrange the integral of minus x square plus y square minus 1 dx, that equals to plus 0, that equals to 0. Next then that implies minus integral of x square dx here. Next plus integral of y square dx here. Next of all can be arranged minus of integral 1 dx here, that equals to 0. Next, for integrating of x square dx means implies minus of x cube by 3. Next, plus here y is constant, so y square is also constant. Here write y square, and then integral of dx means x. Integral of dx means x minus integral of 1 dx means also x here. After integrating will be completed, put here constant c. Next, this can be written as again x cube by 3 plus x is found here y square minus 1, that equals to c. Okay, this is the solution of exact differential equation method of the given first order and first degree differential equation. Okay, thank you watching for video. I hope you all are understanding my video. If you have any doubts in my video, please contact. Yeah. Okay.